Now, weather with Chief Meteorologist Jamie Warner.
Well, outside right now, skies are mostly clear, temperatures are warm, and it's noticeably more humid this evening versus last evening at this time. Dew points are in the upper 60s. Here's a look at the dew points and how they've risen over just the last 12 hours. You go back to 10 o'clock this morning, dew points were in the low 60s at that point. Now we're looking at dew points in the upper 60s, and that's why, over just the course of today, you could probably tell that it's more humid now than it was earlier this morning. With a drier air in place this morning, though, it got real comfortable outside, dropped to 62 in Springfield, below the average low of 67, and it was the coolest morning since June the 5th. And there were locations out there that saw temperatures quite a bit cooler than that. In fact, you can see in Camdenton, 55 this morning, 53 in Lake Ozark, 55 in Rolla this morning. Everybody, though, topping out close to 90. In fact, we hit 90 today in Springfield as the heat and now the humidity is returning to the area. And with that combination, we're also finding a few isolated showers out there. Here's a peek at radar. They're very, very widely scattered, but there are a couple of heavy downpours. One is sitting right on top of Kimberling City, moving to the northwest right now, away from the city. There were a few lightning strikes with that here over the last 10 minutes or so, and another heavy shower here on Highway 60, making its way across Seymour. Looks like that one may make it into Diggins over the next half hour to 45 minutes as it tracks northwest. Here's a look at the rain from today, and you can see what rain was there was very, very spotty and mainly south of I-44, especially southeast Missouri down into Arkansas. This is where muggy air built in this afternoon. You can see the combination of that humidity plus a weak storm. This is higher up in the atmosphere, moving now across the Ozarks, generating those very widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. And we're going to have the same general ingredients in place on Monday. Today's weak storm will move off to the west, but there's going to be another one to take its place by tomorrow afternoon. So we should find hot and muggy conditions and at least widely scattered showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon that will continue into the evening hours. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. Can't rule out a spotty shower through at least midnight tonight. After that, I think most everything should fade away. But we'll see another crop of showers and thunderstorms developing probably as early as lunchtime tomorrow, and certainly during the afternoon. Those will continue into the evening before they fade away. Temperatures tonight noticeably warmer than last night, thanks to that muggy air that's building in. About 70 for a low in Springfield, with highs tomorrow right up around 90. I think we'll probably squeak out a 91 here in Springfield with light winds out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour and a 7 on our color radar. Heat, that's really the big story. We have that shot at rain tomorrow. Looks like it'll linger into Tuesday. After that, rain's going to be very tough to come by the rest of the week and through this upcoming weekend, and that's compliments of high pressure in the atmosphere building back over the region. It's also going to bring very hot conditions to the area. So after highs in the low 90s on Monday, looks like about 93 on Tuesday, and then starting Wednesday through the remainder of the week and through this upcoming weekend, mainly dry conditions and hot conditions. Morning lows will be in the mid-70s with afternoon highs in the mid-90s. This is a pattern that we have seen so much throughout the first half of this summer.
You and I were on Facebook Live earlier, and I was remarking about mowing the yard last night, and I got grass, but just how much dust was being kicked up by the mower because it's so dry.
Yeah, until we can really get some sustained, widespread rain, I think we can probably get away with having to mow that grass for a little while.
All right, Jamie, thanks. Next here on our News at 9.